Well, hello there. Happy Wednesday. I hope you're having a great day and having lots of fun by staying safe at home and doing different activities, whether you're painting or coloring or working on more math or doing your schoolwork. So yesterday we worked on math, and because we work on our language arts on Mondays and Wednesdays, since today is Wednesday, we're working on letter sounds again. So Monday, we focused on A through E. So today we have 5 new letter sounds to work on. You might already know them, and if so, that's great. But we're going to keep practicing to make sure we become professionals and masters at letter sounds. So let's review. So here we have, remember we start with the letter name. So the letter is A. We say the keyword, which I have a picture here to help you, which is A, apple. And then the sound. When we say apple, what's that first sound we hear? Apple. Ah. So the sound is A, apple, ah. Say it one more time. A, apple, ah. And after A comes B. So B, this is a picture of a boy. B, boy, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. Because when we say dog, D, og, D is the first sound we hear. So D, dog, D. E, egg, eh. So those were the 5 letter sounds that we learned on Monday. Now we have 5 new ones. After our last letter we learned, which was E, comes F. So we have F. What's this picture? A fish. And when we say the word fish, the first sound I hear is F. So F, fish. Notice how my teeth are on my lip. So F, fish. What letter is this? G. This is the letter G, and our picture is a goat. So G, goat, and when we say goat, the G says G. So G, goat, G. H, this is the letter H, the uppercase H and the lowercase h. So H, this is a picture of a hat. And when we say hat, the H says H, not huh. Notice how I don't use my voice box. If you are nervous about using your voice box, you can put your hand on your neck. And when you're talking, you feel your voice box vibrating. Try it. Start talking. La, 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 la. I hear my voice box, but when I say, my voice box doesn't vibrate. You try it. It doesn't. So we have H, hat. This is the letter I, the uppercase I and the lowercase I. And this is a picture of an igloo. So we have I, igloo, I. Because the I in the word igloo is saying igloo, igloo. And our last letter for today, this is the letter J, the uppercase J and the lowercase j. This right here is a picture of jam. So when we say the word jam, the J is saying J, jam, J. So J, jam, J. Let's try these ones all together and then we'll practice with all of them that we've learned so far. So we have F, fish, G, goat, G. H, hat, I, igloo, I. J, jam, J. Now your turn. I'm going to hold up the cards and you try it. So, G, goat, G, H, hat, I, igloo, I, J, jam, J. Now let's try it with all of them. So we have A, apple, A, B, boy, B, C, cat, K, D, dog, D, E, egg, E, F, fish, F, G, goat, G, H, hat, I, igloo, I, and J, jam, J. So those are all of the letters, sounds that we've learned so far. So now it's your turn to practice. So on Monday, you got to use a new phonics app and you got to hear other objects and match other objects to the same sounds. So instead of apple, you might have seen something else that has the same sound as a or starts with the same letter sound. So you're going to do more exploring with that, focusing mostly on letters F, G, H, I, and J. So now it's your turn to practice. If you have any questions, your parents can shoot me an email, they can shoot me a text, or give me a call. I hope to see you very soon as Miss Hewes misses you so much. I hope you're having fun at home. See you soon. Bye-bye.